Good morning to one and all. This is N. Kavin, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Kongunar College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see about bulk deformation process, hot working and cold working of metals, forging processes and its types, rolling processes and its types, what are all the extrusions and its types. We can see one by one. Hot working of metals. Mechanical working of metal above the recrystallization temperature but below the melting point. Plastic deformation of metals and alloys under the condition of temperature and strain rate. Recrystallization temperature is 30 to 40% of melting temperature. In this process, metal is heated above the recrystallization temperature with 0.7 to 0.9 times of the melting temperature. Types of hot working processes: hot forging, hot rolling, hot extrusion, drawing, swagging, hot spinning. Cold working of metal. Plastic deformation of metal to the required shape being performed below the recrystallization temperature. Process will work under room temperature, recrystallization temperature. Minimum temperature at which the complete recrystallization of the metal takes place within the specified time. Types of cold working process: drawing, squeezing, bending. Drawing, blank drawing, cutting a flat shape of from the metal. Tube drawing, tube piercing is nothing but tube drawing. Embossing, process of making raised or projected design of the surface of the metal. Wire drawing, diameter less than 16 mm is drawn in the form of wire coil. Squeezing, coining is if the punch is required to deform the metals for the required shapes is known as coining. Sizing, size the metal to the required shapes. Swagging, it is used for producing rounded components through the radial impact forced by reproducing dies. Knurling, the rolls are pressed radially against the rotating workpiece to make a grip on the handles. Bending, bend into the desired shapes like rods, wires, bars. Plate bending, large plates are bent into shapes. Roll forming, it carries 3 rolls, 2 are fixed and third one is adjustable. Diameters of the all rolls are same. Angle bending, angles, circles, ovals. Forging process, the desired shape is obtained by application of compressive force. Smith or open die forging. Forging is done in a heated workpiece at the proper temperature by placing a flat surface anvil through hammering the metal piece. Hand forging, power forging. Closed forging, it is a drop forging when the high impact of the weight is loaded in the brake shoes and the friction roller has been given for sudden stopping of the board. So the ram is placed below the road, the upper die and lower die is placed below the ram. So the high weight board is placed on the ram, then the required shape can be deformed. Press forging, with the help of pressing machine, the press forging has been happened. So it can be used with the help of cylinder, piston and ram. A die is placed on the bed. So the tool is placed on the bottom side of the pressing, so it can be easily deformed. Upset forging. Upset forging is a punch is placed on the head of the upset forging side. So the forging bar will move in a high speed. So the required shape has been obtained. Roll forging. A roller has been used with the 2 dies. So the metals can be placed in between the 2 rollers. So the required shape has been obtained. Types of forging machines: power hammer, mechanical hammer, airstream hammer. Airstream hammer, it is used on air or steam. Single acting hammer, air pressure used to lift on the ram only. Double acting hammer, air pressure used to lift the ram and impact of the workpiece. Steam hammer, it is using air or steam. Single acting hammer, air pressure is used for light work. Air pressure is used for heavy work, means double acting cylinder. Helve hammer. Helve hammer is like an power action machine. So the hammer is used with a high force, so the metal can be easily cutted from the workpieces. Trip hammer. The reciprocating ram is the main part of the and its stagger. The stroke length varies between 175 to 400 blows per minute. Level spring hammer. The elastic rod is used to operate the ram. The stroke length of varies from 40 to 200 blows per minute. Pneumatic hammer. With the help of high compressed air, the hammer has been used. Types of forging operation. Offsetting. A metal is heated at the one end and force is applied on the other end by using the hammer. The cross-sectional area will increases and the length will decreases. This type of is known as offsetting forging. Drawing down. In this process, the cross-sectional area will decreases and the length will increases. In this process, making a hole on the given job is known as punching. The shapes like angles, ovals, circles can be made with the help of bending operations. Thank you for watching. These are all the different kinds of forging operations and deformations can be used for the manufacturing purposes. Thank you.